The golden rule of networking that's often overlooked is visit, and then visit some more. One visit does not cut it, and truthfully, two probably won't either, because relationships take repetition. Familiarity breeds trust. But when you do visit, whether it's BNI, your local chamber, or an industry breakfast, be prepared, because the first impression isn't just a handshake, it's how well you show up. First of all, don't walk in cold. That's the number one mistake. Always find out ahead of time, what is the agenda? Who's in the room, and will you be expected to introduce yourself? For BNI, that's a big yes. You'll be expected to introduce yourself and give a 60-second presentation. That's standard, so don't let it catch you off guard. You need to practice that ahead of time. Remember, groups like BNI are structured. There are expectations. You can't just wing it and hope for the best. And we're going to continue to pick on BNI here because they have a whole code for how to show up really well as a visitor. Arrive early. You should do that anyway, but arrive early. The pre-meeting mingle is half the magic. Let the person who invited you know you're coming. Bring business cards, even if you're just visiting. Listen to others' intros and get a feel for what it takes to do a good one. And yes, you'll probably need to stand up and deliver your 60-second elevator pitch. So be ready to tell people who you are, who you help, and what kind of referral you're looking for. What happens after the meeting is just as important as what happens in it. So thank the host or the person who invited you. Connect with 1 to 2 people on LinkedIn right away. If someone stood out to you, follow up with a coffee ask. Don't let your visit be a one and done. Follow-up is where networking becomes net worth. So yes, visit, and then visit some more, because consistency creates visibility. And as you learn through interactions with BNI and its tenets, which we focus on very heavily in Maven System 2, visibility plus credibility equal profitability. Now, in our next episode, I'm going to walk you through how to do that perfect 60-second intro, your elevator pitch, so you never freeze when it's your turn to stand up and speak. So please stay tuned for the next 4 minutes. And in the interim, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks from the 4-Minute Maven.